I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Alright, now, not gonna hold you too long. Let's go ahead and get into this one. This one actually just arrived today. 380. Alright, Yeezy box 380. Probably my favorite Yeezy right now. Maybe, but I just love the comfort of this shoe, at least from the previous pair that I have, the Onyx. Alright, Yeezy Boost 380, made by Adidas. Alright, now these are the Yeezy Boost 380. Alright, colorway is Covell. Alright, size 13 and a half. Of course. And the Yeezy, as I said, if I cannot get a 13 and a half in the Yeezys, I don't want them. I don't want them. Maybe in the 350s, maybe I'll go down to a 13. But if I can't get a 13 and a half, I don't want them. I don't want to go up. I want to go to 13 and a half. The unicorn size, my true size. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these, man. Go ahead and get into it. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Woo! That Covellite Yeezy Boost 380. Yes, sir. Covellite. I'm probably saying that wrong, but that's how I'm gonna say it though. Alright. I like the 380. I like the 380 a lot. At first, when I first put it on the very first time and I wore it out the house instead of in this room where there's carpet, when I wore it out the house, it felt a little weird with this back piece, how it's a, it's a little bit of a slant going down. But once you start wearing them, man, so comfortable. It's like a common theme with Yeezys. They're just so comfortable. I think that's what makes these shoes great. If you put Yeezy's name on a shoe and they were just bricks, they weren't comfortable, they wouldn't sell. Like, nobody would really care so much. Like, I don't like Jordan 9s because of that reason. They're uncomfortable. Sure, they look pretty good. They look pretty decent, right? Jordan 9s, but the comfort is terrible on Jordan 9s. So that's going to be my least favorite shoe. And it's not just my least favorite. I know other people who says for that reason, the comfort level, the Jordan 9 makes it one of their least favorites. But if you were to do that with a Yeezy, it would be nothing. That's why these shoes sell, because that boost, just you put them on, your feet feel good. They're easy to rock comfort wise. All right. So that's my comfort rant. I'm not trying to compare Yeezys to Jordan or anything, but I'm saying that is why I love Yeezys. That's why I keep going back. I know some other people will be like, I don't want to support him. He's crazy. He lost his mind. But for me, I rock with these shoes because of the comfort level, man. I'm going to continue to rock them because they're so comfortable. They're so comfortable. All right. A lot of the colorways aren't the greatest, but I did like this one. That blue. And it's almost like it's a light purple. depending on how you look at it, it's like a very, very light purple. That secondary color that's here. You know, it's mostly the blue. Mostly the blue. That first glance, you're going to see that blue. But it's kind of a very light, almost like a lilac color there. I like it. I think it's legit. Alright. Then you got that tan bottom there. That is the only part to me that I'm kind of questioning. I like it. I liked it enough to buy it, clearly. But I'm like, man, could they have gone with a different color on the bottom here instead of this tannish kind of color? It's the same on the Onyx, which is a brown upper, a darker brown upper. So that kind of makes sense to have the tan and brown like that. But this blue and that light purple is, I mean, it works. Just was wondering maybe if you could put a different color on there. And of course that gum bottom with that boost. Alright. Looks like these have very good traction. Look at the traction. Look at the traction on there. You're not going to want to hoop in these or anything like that. But they do have very good traction. Alright. Let's take the shoe tree up out of here. And oh, also, you know how 380s come? They don't come with the laces that you can, you know, take out. You just slide them on and you tighten them up with this. Alright? But they do come in the box with additional black laces. These are black shoelaces. In the event that you wanted to cut this and have normal laces, they do provide you that opportunity in the box. So I think that's dope that they include that. Alright? On the inside, you know, that stretchy material there, so you slide your foot in. A little bit of support there around the inside there. You see that padding on the inside for your ankles and the heel support there. On the inside it says Yeezy and Adidas. Boom. Open that up for you. Yeezy and Adidas logo there. White insole. Alright? But you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, on feet. Go ahead and give you that size reference. That's my big toe right there. Alright? To me, that is a great fit. Perfect fit for me. I don't like having my toe all the way up to the front. So I like to have just a little bit of room. And these fit perfectly fine for that. Alright? My other toes, my pinky toe ain't all bunched up on the side. I got enough wiggle room. A nice little snug fit around, you know, the main portion of my foot. Nice snug fit, but man, I got enough wiggle room as well. Very nice. I like looking down at these because you can see some of that shine, a little bit of that shimmer from up here. But this is what I was talking about in that heel area. It's a little bit of a slant, a little bit of a slope. So, and you can feel that as you're walking. But once you get used to it, man, feels good. You'll stop noticing it. You'll stop noticing it. Feels good. Feels good. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, still probably my favorite Yeezy right now. Probably my favorite one. They just feel good on my feet. I really like the 380s, man. Very dope. Very dope. I'm not saying this colorway is my favorite, but I'm saying the design, the style of the Yeezy, this one is probably my favorite at the moment. And they just feel good. These even feel a little bit better to me because when I got the Onyx pair, it felt like they were harder to slide on with the, you know, the way that the shoe opens up there. It felt like it wasn't enough stretch and it took me a little bit longer to get my shoe in. Maybe I just have gotten used to it now, but these slid right on. Same size and everything. Both of them are 13.5. These slid right on. Had no issues putting them on my feet. So, I have no complaints. I have no complaints with this shoe. But, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.